Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to spray your emblems and your badges on your car, well, if they off your car, basically with Plasti dip, and how to use it. And maybe on the next video, if you enjoy this and this does pretty good, I do one of some badges on a vehicle. On the car, yeah, but these badges is already took off the car, in case you put them on your car, you want Plasti dip before you do. This video is for you. Let's get started. Okay guys, what we got here is an old pizza box and two old badges. I just wanted to do a quick video on how to do this. Well, I put holes in the box so my emblems will fit down in it, as you can see, just like so. Now, before you spray these emblems, you can get you some soap and water, clean them real good. Do that before you put them on the box, or some wax and grease remover. Now, I don't care about these emblems, I did not do that, but if you want a good coating and the Plasti dip to look good, you need to do that. Next step is take your Plasti dip and shake it for 1 minute, the whole can. Recommends 1 minute, give or take. And after you get done shaking it, put it in some warm water. Just like so. That's what this is. And give it about 5 minutes in there. Now, after you get your can of Plasti dip out of the warm water, shake it up a little bit more. A few seconds. You don't have to shake it up another minute. Just a few seconds, all you need to do. Wipe all the excess water off of it, so you don't get none on what you're painting. Now, once you do that, test spray your can in the air. Just like so. Now the first coat, you want it to be just a wet looking coat. So let's go ahead and do that. You need to stand back and spray 6 to 10 inches from your emblem. Now let's do the Mustang. Now, this is a wet coat, the first coat that we put on this. Next thing you want to do when you're done, turn your can upside down and spray till it comes out clear, and wipe your nozzle because you don't want that to get paint on dry, because it can ruin your finish. Now, this is the fun part. You need to wait at least 30 minutes and put another coat on it. So we'll be back then. Okay guys, it's been 30 minutes. We're shaking the can up and getting ready to spray a second coat. Now we want to do the same way we did before, another wet coat. Make sure you get all the edges. And make sure it goes on a little wet, but not too wet enough. Now, turn your can back upside down. Spray it till it comes out clear. Wipe your nozzle back off. And let dry for another 30 minutes. If you're going to put more coats on it, 2 is enough. For me, I'm happy with 2 coats. Now, if you want to put 3 or 4 coats on whatever you're doing, you can. You just got to give them 30 minutes to dry between each coat. Now, you want to give them at least 4 hours after your final coat to fully dry, or a couple more hours after that. But it recommends 4 hours, but sometimes you can do it a little sooner, or sometimes you can do it a little later. But the best way to do is, if you can, just wait overnight. You know, it gives it plenty of time to do its thing. Now, I will come back here and remove these and we will check them out. I don't know if you can see them, but here's a finished Plasti dipped emblems. Now, when you do it like this, you can gently just pick up on these guys once they dry, and they will come right up. And be gentle when you do. Be careful. Keep them kind of, even when you're pouring them up. Make sure you do it pretty consistent and even, and they won't tear or lift. If you do get any lifts when picking up on them, you just have to hit them with your finger and mash them down a little bit. If you just pour straight up, just like so, they should turn out great. Here's the Camaro emblem. Looks extremely good. And the Mustang emblem turned out extremely great. Thank you for watching this video. That's how you pretty well paint your badges off of your car if you don't have them off before installing them with Plasti dip. They turned out great. This was 2 coats. If you want to, you can add 3 coats. They also make a glossy, more of a glossy, like something like a clear coat, but it's made like Plasti dip. I forgot what it's called, but you can spray out on it too, give it more of a shine. But I most of the time like this satin look. Now, thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. I got more videos like this coming soon. Check my channel out for more content. I do upload daily. They always something new. And if you found this video helpful, drop a like and drop a comment if you want to. And I'll see you on the next video.